and trying to get out.
Sorry, Colby. Flip over you. This is very particular. The airport is rather empty. Strange.
Good morning, welcome aboard American Eagle.
We made it to Florida! Most specifically to the Sports Coast, which is about 30 minutes outside of Tampa. We're here for the weekend to catch the end tail of scalloping season. Yep, me and my little hands are gonna get into the salt water to go and catch those fresh and plumpy scallops that we're then gonna eat. Yes! And to make it even more fun, remember my friend Tyann from the Cuba video? The one who drank a lot of tequila with me? Yep. She's back! What was the issue? There's a band of rain coming through, so we need to wait to see if it's clearing in the back end.
We're gonna be okay on the back end. I think we'll have just enough time to get out on the water and get some stuff.
Suspense movie.
Full scallop.
Yeah? You confident? Okay. Yeah. Ooh, those are nice towels.
Tarjay, baby.
We got the GoPros, the towels, and the sunshine-ish. There's literally nobody on the water because it just rained. It's rather meditative. Yeah. Let's do yoga here. Let's do yoga pose. Okay. Are we yoga? We don't do yoga. Oh! Did you hear thunder? You see the concern on her front? Looks like we have a clear patch here.
Array of man.
It's really tight. Yeah. This is made for small noses. You think this is it?
This is it. We've already got one. She already got one.
You're like the Prodigy kid. Tyann has been doing some YouTube research. What's the optimal technique for scalloping?
You have to catch them from the back because if they see you coming up from the front, they'll just like scallop away.
So I should be in the front and then you should be in the back.
And scare them and then I'll put the net in the back.
That is super optimal. I think that sounds great.
But
Let's do that.
we forgot we're competing today.
Oh. More about that just in a bit. Okay, first trial done. How'd you feel, Tyann?
Like a failure.
Oh, the Asian in you must be crushed.
Crushed. No A+ on scalloping.
But it's like an A++ for Colby. A++. Also a D- for me. So yeah, we're gonna go somewhere else. I think we went to like the intermediary level scalloping where
go back to basics.
We're gonna go somewhere super shallow. Hopefully we're gonna see more. This is much better because we're only at 3 foot deep. So within actual humanly, well, and human reach compared to the other one, which was actually 5 feet deep. Too deep. Now we should be okay. We should actually see something.
We got 4! Okay, man, I need to up my game. Still unsuccessful. At least the water is really warm. Wait, you're coming with me and we're gonna find one. So new strategy, I'm just gonna tag along her and then pretend I took it when she takes it. Sorry, Colby. I actually caught a scallop. Can you believe it?
You got one?
I got one. What? I got one on the GoPro that I also lost in the sea. It was like a GoPro for a scallop. I lost a GoPro down in the deep.
One color that.
No, it's either way. Pop that off, and then you got to take this part. You just scrape real light.
Yum, scallop food.
Ew. Where do you put the clean part?
In that bucket.
Good thing it's not a catch, eat only what you catch.
So that's enough for one person. All right. Thank you so much, Captain Curt. Yeah.
That's a good one.
Yum. Jeez, this is gonna be a juicy car ride. We're all soaking wet, pruny, and hungry.
I'm Lydia. I'll be taking care of you all today. Pina colada or strawberry daiquiri.
Okay, what's your rum?
Made it out of the water. Am relatively clean now. Have a little bit of makeup on, and made it to Gill Dawg, where you can literally take your fresh scallop, bring it to their kitchen, and they will make some magic with it, which will be delicious with one of their many cocktails.
One of each, please.
You think it's one cocktail. It's actually two! Cocktail just came out. Tyan's already half done with hers.
That's not half.
Yes, it's half.
No, half is this. That's half.
That is strong. Yo, what kind of alcohol tolerance do you have? I hope you're hungry.
Tartar sauce. Ooh, yum. Oh my god. Hard work. Shoot this. Oh, it's so good. Tastes like 12 hours of work.
Stop it. Holy, there's like a generous amount of garlic in here.
I love it.
It's the chef's secret recipe here. There's a lot of garlic and tomato and it's freaking delicious. Oh, and it's even more delicious because we know we picked it and it was so much hard work.
That one was a feisty one.
If you've ever wondered what's half a portion in America, it's the equivalent of a family portion in Canada. Whoa, Bayou chips. Delicious. Oh wow. Scalloping was amazing. The fact that it was raining and a bit almost thunderstorming, if that's a word, made it even more exciting. Like it was more of an adventure. The water movement actually made it more difficult for us to see underneath and try to identify where the scallops were located. As a result, I only got 3, which literally took my entire life, and a GoPro. Tyan had about a dozen, and then Colby really kicked it off by having like about 20 of them. So, a bit tired. Now it's gonna be shower time and then nap time before we head out again for surprise, surprise, more food. All right, shower. The most iconic food we're just...
Anne Tran travels the world and posts about places she goes and food she eats.
How crazy was that? Very unexpected, but yeah. Success. Mom would be proud.